downtown. She's so shook. I don't know if this will make it
our way downtown.
Yes, ma'am. We're on our way.
Going to Cafe Rio. I have no idea where that's at, but it's in a little town. So.
Okay, we're gonna go into town, so we'll see y'all in a bit. Whose living room is this?
Whose grandma's house?
Whose living room is this?
What the? What is this?
Is that a camera?
I think so.
Oh, that's so. What is it?
A camera. But I like almost slammed into my. But it's only $10.
What?
So I mean, it definitely doesn't work. But like.
Can I see that?
Yeah. Oh, I have this one too.
Oh my god, this is so weird. This is so cool.
Oh, this is like a camera case.
Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, I was so confused. Like, what is this?
Is that a projector?
How
Dude,
cool.
that's so cool.
$25?
And she looks old. Hello. Look, this is a vintage blow dryer. This is so cool. It's heavy though. Ooh. That's so cool.
You should vlog in there.
Ooh. Oh my god, no, Kennedy, I saw it. Come with me. Watch me like literally get demonetized.
I know where you want to go inside, Kennedy.
No, Kennedy is forcing me to go in.
Dude, I really want to go inside.
She's like, go film in there.
You're laughing. Okay.
What? What is this?
Oh, you got 190 here.
I hate
Dude,
this.
look at that bottle.
Okay, my parents watch these.
I'm just a shy guy. Dude.
I am literally gonna get flagged. No, ma'am. Don't bring that near the camera, ma'am.
What'd you do, Kennedy?
They're gonna delete my YouTube before she even takes off, I swear. This store is the cutest. What is this called? Lola? Okay, not ooh la la like freaking Kennedy kept saying. But this store is so cute. It's like low-key bougie. Dude, I love this.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I love this a lot. Oh, this is nice. I know. Okay. Kennedy. Stumbled into like a nice homemade soap store with like lotions and bath bombs, and it's so cute. And if you know me, you know I love blush, so I'm like living right now. We have come across more bath, which I love.
This one's eucalyptus. Ooh. I love eucalyptus flavor. Love it. It's like my favorite scent.
This is so cute.
This one's great for you to get.
Oh, love this. Yamaris.
I love it.
What in the world? She's getting high off of these like diffused oils.
Are you reading this, Sylvia?
I remember I was like, this is like borderline stripper.
Oh my god.
I swear, and I mean the tiniest skirt in the world.
Love this.
Like that?
This is how she pays for her tuition, man.
She said, could you